People keep asking me, Sadhguru, you became like this, who is your role model? I tell them, see, I never rolled with models, so don't ask me such things.
Sadhguru, every time I come to know of a feat achieved or the great ability of a role model, there is an instinctive aspiration to encompass that and to achieve that for myself as well. But then with it comes the formidability of the profoundness of the ambition. So what is the right approach for such ambitions in life?
See, this role model business is a very Western idea that we've taken on to. Every human being is made in a unique way. It's very important, every human being explores what is so unique about us and how to find expression to the intelligence that we are. If we try to do what somebody else is doing, then one thing is, maybe it's easy because it's like a set path, already they've done it, so I want to do the same thing, it's easy to do it. But you're saying that is also formidable. But the beauty of life is that you explore the full potential of who you are, not do better than somebody or do what somebody else has done. You being better than somebody is not of any consequence. Or you being like somebody else is also of no consequence. No two human beings can ever be equated in body and mind, isn't it so? Hello? You can never, ever equate two people in mind and body. This is one kind, that's another kind, absolutely unique. Never ever these two things are going to be same, do what you want. So this is the beauty of being a human being. Don't destroy that by trying to imitate somebody. Imitation we should have left in the previous stage of our evolution, you know. We should have left it there, but this thing about creating role models has been built up because, you know, there is a whole school of American thought where they're always telling you how to manage your life, how to eat, how to manage your industry, how to manage your business, how to do this, how to keep your hair, everything. Everything standardized. No, one person's hair and another person's hair are different. It can't be kept the same way, isn't it? Hello? It cannot be kept the same way. Forget about the head, even the hair. Hair is also unique, isn't it? So, people keep asking me, Sadhguru, you became like this, who is your role model? I tell them, see, I never rolled with models, so don't ask me such things. This role model business you leave, all of you, young people, you must do this in some way. You find a place which is supportive but not influencing you. No influence from the peers, no influence from your professors, no influence from your parents, no influence from society. Such a place you choose where you're well supported in terms of food and whatever. Spend at least 3 to 10 days, depending on what you need, and look at it, what is it that you genuinely want to do in your life? Is your life precious, I'm asking you?
Yes.
Is your life precious?
Yes.
If this is a precious life, in what do you want to invest this life? Please consider this. Don't do something that somebody else is doing. If this is a precious life, where do I want to invest this life? It is not a question of profession, it's not a question of becoming like somebody, it's not a question of earning or living like somebody, it is a question of what do I want to make out of this life? Where do I want to invest this life, in what? So look at this in as profoundly as you can. Today if you're taking a call on something, you look at it in 25 years, will it still mean something to you, whatever you're planning to do today? In 50 years, will it still mean something to you? At the end of your life, if you look back, will you die a fulfilled human being? This is something you must consider, because this is your life and you said it's precious. If it's a precious life, it needs a certain amount of consideration and attention. Don't do what somebody else is doing. That's not the way to conduct your life.